Hello, my friend. How are you? I hope everyone is doing well and you are spending a good business lives because in this channel everyone wants to build a good dropshipping business. So this dropshipping business is like for everyone. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and besides your job, your other business. So this is a very good opportunity. So today's video's topics is how you can start dropshipping by Alibaba. Okay, because Alibaba is the main and broad platform. From Alibaba every winning product found, and from this site we find from it can be Instagram, TikTok. I mean, this Alibaba is the mother, is the father for everything. Okay, so then it's distributed from others in other platforms to as a winning product. Okay, so in here we will select, or we will go step by step. First of all, we need a product. Okay, yeah, we need a product, we need a good winning product, winning product, and then we need a good store. Okay, and number 3 is we need a marketing plan. Okay, so this is the winning product, store, marketing. So where we will find winning product, our first steps will be go to Alibaba. Alibaba is a global online wholesale e-commerce platform. So what are you looking for? If you are go with a niche products, any niche is work, no problem. Keep in mind that it's not complicated. Don't be overcomplicated. Any niche you can sell. It can be like if we go to on Alibaba homepage again. So for example, all categories is here, and then you will find that apparel, accessories, consumer, sports, luggage, packaging, home and garden, beauty. So beauty is very low competition niche. Every niche in these categories, every niche is work. So we will go to beauty, and beauty skincare is right now very trending. Everyone wants to change their skin. It's very bright. Okay, so this is a OEM range on face skin. Just click on here. Okay, let's see the video. Okay, very simple video, slide video, image slide video. Okay, and this is the product. Okay, so in here you will just see that product spotlight. Okay, features this range of face serum is crafted with a blend of powerful ingredients like retinol. Okay, so this is a good product, and this product is high demand. Okay, face skincare, if we search on meta ads. Okay, yeah, on meta ads we will go to meta, and we will check on face skincare, and the country will be all countries, all ads. Okay, and the keyword will be, yeah, all ads, face skincare, and just click enter, and then we will see what type of skincare products is working right now. Yeah, 15,000 approximately results coming. So everyone's, yeah, this all products or competitors are sourcing products from Alibaba. Okay, and they are finding products from Alibaba. From Alibaba they are taking knowledge, gather, marketing angle, because in Alibaba you will see a lot of variations or similar types of products. Okay, so this is also similar products, this is every product will work. So what you will do, you will just select a product, and then you have to build a store. Okay, these stores you have to build, and then marketing. Okay, so how you will do marketing? Your marketing approach will be how you position this product. It can be in Instagram, TikTok, and keep in mind that you need a real original content. You have to buy a product sample in your house, then make content, but don't copy or don't steal the competitor product contents. Okay, it will not work. So thank you so much. This is the systems.